Hi, Alan here, coming to you from Lava Hot Springs, and I just have a quick message to share with you today. I was watching a video from another couple that makes RV videos, and they did a video about the RV roof and roof maintenance, and I decided I'm going to follow up on that because this is good stuff, and I'm going to link to their video from my page. You're going to see on my page, which is going to be rvacrossamerica.net/RV roof. Again, rvacrossamerica.net/RV roof. And they motivate that video from that couple motivated me to go up on my roof and go check it out. My roof is relatively new, but the smart money is on checking them out really every 6 months. And so I went up on my roof. I took a look, I took some photos, it's in great shape. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you what I looked at, what I looked for, and what I would have done if there was an issue, and what I would have used if there was an issue. So all of that is over at rvacrossamerica.net/RV roof. And I'm shooting this outside in the middle of October. I'm in a short sleeve shirt, it's like 70 degrees out. I don't know how much longer this is going to last. I don't think much longer. I made another video earlier that I talked about. I may even be cross-country skiing by the weekend or over the weekend. So, hey, you have a great day, morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're seeing this. rvacrossamerica.net/RV roof. Take care.